Hi, Brian Rooney. Today I just want to show you a quick video about a program that I am earning passive income from called Mind Capital. Now I joined this program back at the start of 2020. If I go into here, I think I should be able to show you the purchases. Yep. So yes, back in January 2020, I invested 130 Bitcoin, which is basically $130. And I have my settings set at when my earnings reach 100 Bitcoins, I reinvest it. So you can see it took just over 5 months to reach $100 earnings, and I then reinvested that 100 Bitcoins or $100. And then it only took 3 months to earn another $100, so I reinvested that, and now I have a total of 330 US dollars or Bitcoins earning passive income for me every day. So as the amount gets larger and larger, obviously my returns every day get higher and higher, as you can see now. Luckily, I can't go back any further than this, unfortunately, but as you can see, you just get little passive incomes here: $1.90, $1.86, $1.92, $2.05. But then when I reinvested, as you can see, when I reinvested the extra $100, it jumped up. So now I'm earning $2.85, $2.69, so just under $3 every day. So it's not going to take very long for me to get to another $100, and I'll reinvest it, and then the following month from that, obviously these amounts will jump higher and higher. So this is just it's not a get rich scheme, but it certainly is great passive income. So it just chugs away in the background. If I wanted to withdraw it, I can go into the back office here and withdraw funds, and you can put it into a crypto wallet. But I have no intention of withdrawing any money out of this at the moment. I just want to let it go and build and build and build. So I guess 2 years or so, 2 or 3 years down the track, this will be quite a sizable little amount of money, which all I started with was 130 US dollars. I've added no more of my own personal money. This is purely now working on profits. So just thought I'd give you an idea of how it works. Returns on my purchases. Now I haven't got any referrals, so I have no returns from any referrals. Even though I have referrals, they haven't spent any money yet. So I've earned 65.28% on my return on my purchases, which, you know, try and get that anywhere else from a bank or any investment type. That's pretty good money. And for an initial investment of just 130 US dollars, this is pretty good money, just ticking away in the background, earning every single business day. And I'll just leave it there until I've decided I need to pull it out. So that's all I wanted to show you today. I just wanted to hopefully highlight what Mind Capital does and how it works. And I will put a link below this video if you wish to join. It's very easy to sign up. You just fill in your details, fund your wallet, and then let Mind Capital do its work in the background all by itself. So that's it. Thank you. I'm Brian Rooney, and this is today's presentation on Mind Capital. Bye.